Bangladesh, Bangladesh, Bangladesh. All the best, all the best, all the best. যাবো যুদ্ধে যাবো ক্রিকেটের ময়দানে ছিনিয়ে আনবো বিজয় আবার জয় বাংলা স্লোগানে নতুন করে জিতবে আবার ক্রিকেট বাংলা।
About the rise of a new generation in Bangladesh football, a generation that believes, dreams and now celebrates as champions. This victory will inspire countless young players back home to pick up a football and chase their dream. What an incredible achievement this for Bangladesh. What a final and what way to make history here in Nepal. Ladies and gentlemen, the champions of SAF Under 20 2024 is Bangladesh.